What if I told you that creating a business doesn't have to be complicated? No fancy degrees, no investors, no 5-year spreadsheets. Just you, a real solution to a real problem, and a plan that actually works. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple business that works. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with a real problem. The best businesses solve problems, but here's the mistake most people make. They build something they want, not what people need. Ask yourself, what frustrates people every day? What do people complain about? What are they wasting time or money on? It doesn't have to be revolutionary. Uber didn't invent transportation, it just made it easier. Dropbox didn't invent file sharing, it just simplified it. Find a problem that annoys people, then solve it better, faster, or cheaper. Step 2. Keep your solution simple. Here's where most new entrepreneurs get stuck. They overcomplicate. You don't need a massive app, a full-blown agency, or a team of 10. You need one thing, a simple, clear offer. Let me give you an example. A friend of mine noticed small businesses in her area needed social media help. Instead of building a huge marketing firm, she offered one service, Instagram management for local businesses. That's it. One service, one niche, simple, profitable, scalable. Ask yourself, what is the fastest way I can deliver value? Then do just that. Step 3. Validate before you build. Don't spend 6 months building a website no one visits. Instead, test before you invest. Here's a quick way to validate your idea. Talk to 10 people who match your target customer. Describe your solution. Ask, would you pay for this? And why or why not? Better yet, ask for a pre-order. If someone's willing to pay before it exists, you're onto something. Remember, if no one's interested, you don't have a business. You have a hobby. Step 4. Build a simple system. Now, it's time to create a system, not just a hustle. That means clear steps to deliver your product or service, a repeatable way to get customers. A process that doesn't burn you out. Let's say you're offering web design. Your system might look like this. 1. DM outreach to local businesses. 2. 15-minute call with prospects. 3. Clear package plus payment link. 4. Delivery in 10 days. Systems make your business predictable, and predictability creates income. Step 5. Start small, grow smart. Don't worry about scaling on day 1. Worrying about serving. Start with one product, one customer type, one sales channel. As results come in, refine your offer. Raise your price, automate the boring stuff. That's how real businesses grow, not overnight, but through consistency and smart improvements. Here's the truth, business doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a real problem. Offer a simple solution. Validate fast, build a system, serve people, grow smart. If you follow these steps, you'll create a business that actually works, without the stress, without the chaos, and without the guesswork. Drop a comment telling me what business idea you're thinking about. I'd love to hear it. Until next time, keep building.